Hey guys, quick review on the Tarah Pros by Jaybird. I've had these earbuds for about 10 months and have run the crap out of them. And they've been the best set that I have ever had. I'm not exaggerating. I've been through 10 different sets of cheap Amazon or, cheaper branded earbuds. I won't say their names. You're probably aware of the majority of them. If you guys are running or jogging or working out, totally waterproof and sweatproof. These things are amazing. I don't run them in the rain just because I want to prolong, the life out of them. But let me show you what you get in the box real quick. Of course, you get your buds. You get really nice quality carrying case that I've never used because I've always got them around my neck. You get 3 different sizes of silicone earbuds. I'm on the smallest set because they work the best for my ears. These are high quality silicone, guys. I haven't ripped my set at all. They're super easy to swap out and they're awesome. This is the charging bay for this guy. It's just a standard USB and this thing magnetically seats itself in there. Here it clicked together. 5 minutes of charge time with this will give you 2 hours of playback. The battery on this thing, I don't know where the battery is housed. I assume it's in this little dude. Is amazing. If you let it charge for 2 hours, if you're completely dead, let it charge for 2 hours. 14 hours of playback. I've literally never ran out of juice on these as long as you charge it at the end of the day. And I wear these things all the time. So, let me show you what, well, I'll do that after we take a peek at the specs. So I'm just going to Jaybird Sport here. Looks like 5 different colors are available here. And there's one unique factor about this that really surprised me also. You can, the end of these things rotate, so you can wear them 2 different ways, over the ear or under the ear. It's a really cool feature. And to switch it, you just grab a hold and twist it gently, and it moves the whole earpiece like a probably 45 degrees. Super awesome because you get variations there on what fits you best. So super cool there. Yeah, 14-hour battery life. And I'll show you this in a second. I just downloaded the app on an older phone. I'll demonstrate what it looks like when you first pair them up. It does have one-touch controls. It's like most other ones. You've got, volume up, volume down. It does work with Google and Siri. Most voice assistants. That's a little indicator LED, and that's your microphone hole. But otherwise, pretty standard controls. It does work with YouTube Red. I pay the $10 a month so I can listen to podcasts with the screen turned off. And these controls do work with YouTube, which is a major bonus for me. Security, yeah, it's magnetic, so if you don't want to lose them, these are magnetic. You just click them together, hangs around your neck. It also will turn them off. It's smart enough to know that, hey, they're not in use, and it will shut them off after like 5 seconds or whatever. So that's super cool as well. Let's see, it might be time to show the app. There's what comes in the box. You do get a clip here. Somehow I lost the clip. But that's everything you're getting in the box. Here, let's do this real quick. Tech specs. These things do get down to 20 hertz, so it's pretty good for if you're into bass. It's pretty decent, and you can customize all that in your equalizer. 6mm drivers. 14 hours of charge time. Let's see. All right, let me show you the app. So, I just uninstalled the app and reinstalled it so I can show you guys what this looks like. I do have them connected right now. They're on, connected to this old Note 5 that I have, and just search Jaybird in your store, and they'll come up. The very first result's going to be the right one. You'll see it. Let's go set up buds. And this thing is so thorough, it's amazing, guys. It will go through everything, including what's in the box. It's silly. Charging, how to charge it, and all the specs. Let's see, pairing. So to pair this, it's just like any other set. You hold your middle button in there for like 3 seconds to turn it on, and you continue to hold it down if you want to pair it with a new device. So you'll hear a second tone, and you'll know that you're in pairing mode. I think it's probably like 6 or 7 seconds. Super easy. It's, you know, really common for all Bluetooth devices nowadays for that same method. It's even got a section for fit. It'll show you how you can change it for better fit, under the ear, over the ear. But you guys will probably get that on your own. So here is the main dashboard. So right now you start out with just a flat, pretty bland. And there's all kinds of EQs here. You can just tap on one and it's going to change it for you. You can see it. The waveguide represents what you picked. But if you pick personal EQ and then click personalize, it's going to step you through this whole really detailed setup. Just tap where you want it. Sub bass, tone, mid-range, upper mid-range, presence and brilliance. And then you're done. You click dashboard and you can see that's the sound profile that you just picked. So that is super awesome that you can customize them like that. Here you get a little battery indicator down there, and it'll show you how much battery is left in your earbuds, which is super handy. I think that's, yeah, there's what the app's gonna look like. Jaybird My Sound is what you're hunting for in the store. These things are amazing, guys. It's slightly more expensive. Well, not nowadays. They're 160 bucks. But if you're working out and you're tired of screwing with all the cheap alternatives, or if you're mowing like I do, I've got several acres to mow. These things are awesome. You can run them all day long. So landscapers take notice, I guess, too. I don't have a direct link for you guys to buy this yet. I'm working on getting an affiliate set up, so I can send you guys directly to the website and grab them. That way you know you're not getting a refurb set or a Chinese copy or whatever from eBay. There's some safe places to get them right now, but probably going to the company is the best way. They've got free shipping right now, I see. And you know you're getting a legit, with the recent firmware or whatever. You know you're not going to get hosed. So, really quick review. I personally back these. I beat the crap out of these things for the last 10 or 11 months. I even bought a pair for my boss. There's no frame. There's nothing. Besides, being a little dirty and grungy because I go everywhere with them, these things are awesome. You're not going to be disappointed. If you're ready to step up to a premium set, tired of screwing with cheap, knockoffs or off brands, you're not going to get disappointed here, guys. Give it a shot. That's all I got for now. Check you guys later. Thanks for watching. See ya.